Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off, unplug all the wires. Wait for few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and account, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Battlefield 6 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm and after this launch the game and check. Solution 3, logout and login. Log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and account, other, sign out, wait for few minutes and then log in back. Now launch the game and check. If you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Solution 4, switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to setting, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one work for you. Solution 5, disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Solution 6, rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch Battlefield 6 and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 7, delete game data and cache. Please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Now select Battlefield 6 and then select delete OK. Now restart your PS5 console and then launch the game and check. Solution 8 is to reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. Now if you are using an SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Battlefield 6 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So these were some of the fixes that will help you to solve Battlefield 6 crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.